Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove any object from your video using CapCut PC. Okay, let's get started. Here I have already opened my CapCut PC application and I'm going to duplicate my video first. We can select our video and right click, and then I'm going to click on copy and then paste. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the mask menu and use the mask, and I'm going to use the rectangle mask. For the shape of the mask, it actually depends on the object that you want to remove. And for example guys, I'm going to remove this watermark, so I'm going to take another part of this video to cover the watermark. I'm going to select this part, and then we can go back to the basic, and you can drag the mask like this to cover the unwanted part. And to make it more natural, you can use the blend feature. Just go back to the mask, and then I'm going to increase the feather. You can use the feather feature guys, not blend feature. It will blend the mask to the previous video. And this is the final result. As you can see that the watermark is gone because I already covered it with the mask. Okay guys, and that's all one of the methods you can try to remove unwanted object from your video. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!